A court hearing just ended in the case involving a roadway dispute that left a well-known local DJ shot and killed. The man accused of firing that fatal shot claims he acted in self-defense. News Channel 8's Victoria Lucas joins us live tonight in Tampa with the story. Victoria.
Jen, the defendant here, Joel Moreno Cobo, the victim here, Diedrich Sykes, also known to the community as DJ Shy Guy. After a long day of testimony, here's what counsel on both sides came up with.
There was no act by the victim that night that demonstrated the ability to inflict great bodily harm or death or commit a forcible felony upon the defendant or anybody else in that vehicle.
At the end of the day, Your Honor, we're asking that Your Honor make a finding that on this record evidence, the state has been unable to disprove Mr. Moreno Cobo had a right to use the stand your ground force under the statute.
Differing arguments presented by counsel. The state first called Diedrich Sykes' girlfriend of 4.5 years, Courtney Berry, to the stand. At the intersection of East 5th Avenue and North 22nd Street in heavy traffic, Sykes was driving.
And when you get there, was there anything that caught your attention?
There were some cars flashing. I heard car honks. I just started to see someone trying to inch out into the traffic as well, just a car trying to get out into the traffic.
She testified that Sykes made a left turn on East 5th Avenue and rolled his window down after hearing Cobo shouting. She then said Sykes raised his voice at Cobo.
To Mr. Sykes opening his door and getting out, did you make any observations about his demeanor?
I did not. He was getting out quickly. I wasn't able to catch a glimpse of his face to make an accurate depiction of his demeanor.
Berry also testified Sykes had no weapons on him when he stepped out. She says she heard shots fired but did not see who fired the gun or the gun itself. The defense questioned Berry about her testimony on Sykes' demeanor during a hearing last week.
The driver of the other vehicle exits his car.
Okay, and did he say anything to you?
He offered to render aid.
And what did you say in response to that, if anything?
I told him no and that I was calling 911.
Okay, and at that time, did you see a firearm on the driver of the BMW?
No.
Okay.
For Cobo,
I did what in that moment felt like was necessary to keep me and my family safe.
Okay. Can I have a moment, Judge?
Sure.
Sykes' loved ones disagree.
No one should lose their life over verbal argument. And words do not justify deadly force.
The judge said she will issue a written order on the matter no later than August 31st. We're live at the Hillsborough County Courthouse. Victoria Lucas, 8 on your side.